Hi guys, it's Ozzy from Ozzy E-Waste UK. Today, as you're watching the video, you'll see that I'm taking some TVs apart. I've got 4 TVs in total. One's a Toshiba, one's a Samsung, and one's a Technic. The last one, to be honest, I couldn't really tell what it was because most of the bits were missing. Have a look at it, see what you think. There wasn't a lot of gold to be found in there, but at the moment, any gold is better than nothing. This is the first one we started off with, the Toshiba. Good quality, but as you can see there's not a lot of gold in it. There's a little bit underneath there on your pins. Got some pins here. This is the Samsung. As you can see, it's got a lot more gold in it. That's what I'd expect being a stronger brand. Little bits of gold on the circuit boards, on this one as well. This isn't really worth a lot, but it's got bits of copper. The other two we took apart, as you can see, it has gold, but very thin layers. You'd have to process these to get the golds out, and even the gold, the pins are really light, so there's not a lot in that one. The last one we did, yeah, same thing. It's got gold, but you can see it's a lot duller. It's very thin layer. We have gold on the ends and underneath here, but these connectors here, they're gold plated as well. It's important to take them off. This is a very low grade board. Normally a grey brown board is low. Brown on brown is really low. Brown on green is the next one up, and then you've got your green on green, which is your better board. So overall, we've taken all these apart. To be honest, there's a lot of work for the amount of gold we've taken out, but it's worth doing. Okay, one thing I did want to show you, MLCC. It's got gold plated ends on it. I mean, that's pretty beautiful, that is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take that off as complete as possible, because stuff like that I don't really want to process. I want to just keep it. Great, I hope you enjoyed today's TV rip down. I'll be looking at selling a lot of this stuff soon, or processing it with some chemicals. See you then. Cheers.